Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful fluid flow in a pipe in PowerPoint. So let's dive into the video to see how this can be done. Let me create a new slide and I'm going to delete these text boxes. First you need to go to Insert, Shapes, and here you can see we have this hollow circle. Press Shift key and draw this hollow circle in a right proportion. Next, go to this rectangle tool and draw it right above it like this. Next, select both the shapes. Go to Merge Shapes, and in it you have the option of Fragment. Click on it, and there you go. Everything is fragmented now. You can just separate them like this. Let me delete all these extra parts. These two semicircles would be required to be used as bends in our pipe. Let me go again to a rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. Adjust it, and similarly you can just try to adjust its size so that it fits perfectly with this semicircle. Press Ctrl and drag it like this to make a copy of the rectangle. Now you can use this second bend over here, and let me drag this again by holding Ctrl key so that a new copy could be made, and there you go. Adjust the size in such a way that it looks perfectly in tandem with the bend. Now select everything on the slide, go to Shape Format and into the Merge Shape, click on Union, and there you go. In order to give it a three-dimensional look, you can go again to Insert, Shapes, and we have this cylinder over here. Draw a cylinder like this, rotate it, and you can just fit it right with the pipe like this. Make a copy of it again, rotate, and adjust it over here. In order to remove these joints, you can click over it, go to Shape Outline, and make no outline. You can repeat the process for this part as well. Now our pipe is ready and we have to animate the fluid inside it. Shapes, and click on this oval and draw an oval. Go to Shape Fill and fill it with red color. Now go to Shape Fill, No Fill, and you can go to Shape Effects, choose this preset 5, and that is enough. And now let me make a copy of it, and I'm gonna use this one right over here. Click over it, go to Animations, and in the animation you have this motion paths. Click on it and you can see it's going down. We are going to Effect Options and click on this left option so that it may go from right to left. Now you can copy this animation, Ctrl C, and keep it right at the point where the first animation ends. Again, do the same with this as well, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and this is the third animation over here. And now inside this bend I'm going to copy this animation again, and I'm gonna paste over here, but you can see it's going out of the pipe right now. Now select it, go to Custom Path and click on it, and now again click right in the middle of the pipe, again in the middle of the pipe, and let me finish its animation right over here. Double click, and there you go. Now right click on this animation, edit points. You can adjust these points. Again click and make these points smooth. Again right click and make these points smooth again. Let me make one more copy, and you can see it's going. Let me keep it right where the last one ends, but you can see it's going towards left. So I will again select it, go to Custom Path, right click, and again click in the middle, again in the middle. Let me finish it right at this point. Again you can right click, edit points, right click again and make these points smooth. And I think we are pretty much done with it. Now I'm going to repeat the same process for this part of the pipe as well. Let me do it quickly. Now I have completed this second part, and now I'm going again into animation pane, and I will select all the animations that I have made. So click on first one, press shift key, and then click on last one. Everything is selected. Now click on this little arrow, click on start with previous, again click over here, go to timing, and in the effect tab drag these sliders towards left like this, go to timing, and duration, I think 1 second is good, and we want these animations to repeat, so we'll choose until the end of the slide. Now click on OK, and let me show you how this works. Click on slideshow, and there you go. You can see how beautifully and smoothly this animation runs. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Please do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.